So today I'm about to show you how to design an entire YouTube channel brand in just one afternoon using Canva AI. By the end of this video, you won't just have one design. You'll walk away with a logo, a YouTube banner, scroll-stopping thumbnails, professional end screens, and matching social media posts. All designed to look cohesive, branded, and ready to publish. And here's the best part. We're not starting with design skills, color theory, or blank canvases. We're using AI to generate text, layouts, images, and brand direction. So Canva does the heavy lifting while you make the final decision. If you've ever stared at a blank canvas, struggled to make thumbnails consistent, felt like your channel looks amateur, or wasted hours tweaking designs, this masterclass will completely change how you build visual brands. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete channel brand kit. Not ideas, not drafts, but finished assets you can upload today. So here's the truth. YouTube growth isn't about content. It's about recognition. Strong branding increases click-through rate, builds trust instantly, makes your channel memorable, and separates you from low-effort creators. And most people fail because they design things one at a time with no system. Today we fix that by designing everything in one connected flow. First, logo, then banner, then thumbnails, then end screens, and lastly, social media posts. All powered by Canva AI. Here's the exact structure we'll follow. First, for the logo, this is gonna be the brand foundation. Next, YouTube banner. This is for first impression. Thumbnails, this is the clicking power. End screens, this is for retentions and subs. Social media posts, this is for promotion and consistency. Every design pulls from the same colors, fonts, tones, and visuals, so nothing feels random. First, we start inside Canva and create a logo using AI. Instead of guessing, we use Canva's AI text prompts and describe channel personality in plain English. So for example, minimal, modern YouTube logo for a tech and tutorial creator. Clean, professional, and high contrast. Canva instantly generates logo styles. From here, pick one direction. Adjust font weight, lock in brand colors. This logo becomes the anchor for everything else. Just a pro tip for that, save brand colors and fonts immediately so Canva remembers them across designs. So next is gonna be the banner. First thing people see when they visit our channel is we choose a YouTube banner template, let Canva AI suggest layout structure, use AI to refine headline text. So for example, a prompt, simple headline explaining what the channel helps viewers achieve. Then, we apply a logo, apply brand colors, align text for mobile safe zones. Now, the banner instantly communicates who the channel is for, what value it provides, and why someone should subscribe. This next step is going to be for thumbnails. This is where growth happens. Instead of designing thumbnails from scratch, use Canva AI image generation. Use consistent layout patterns, lock text placement. So example AI use, generate background images that match the topic without clutter. Then, keep text short, use bold contrast, repeat the same font and structure. Now, every thumbnail looks like it belongs to the same channel, even across different topics. End screens are often ignored, but they drive watch time, subscriptions, and channel momentum. So we use Canva's YouTube end screen templates, add placeholders for video boxes, match colors and fonts exactly. This makes your channel feel intentional and professional, even at the end of this video. Now, we extend the brand beyond YouTube. Using the same assets, we resize designs for Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Let Canva AI rewrite captions. Keep visuals consistent. One design, multiple platforms, then zero extra effort. This is how small creators look like full teams. So just a pro tips. First, use brand kits to lock consistency. Second, duplicate designs instead of starting fresh. Third, let AI suggest layout, then refine manually. Fourth, keep thumbnails readable at small sizes. Fifth, use the same 2 to 3 colors everywhere. And lastly, export presets to avoid formatting mistakes. So for final result reveal, at this point you now have a complete YouTube logo, a branded banner, thumbnail templates, end screens, and social media posts. All designed in one afternoon. No designer, no advanced skills, no guessing. So what you've just built isn't it just graphics, it's visual trust. When someone sees your content, they immediately understand who you are, what you offer, and why they should stick around. That's what strong branding does. The real power of Canva AI isn't its speed alone, it's consistency. When everything works together visually, your channel feels intentional, professional, and worth subscribing to. Take this system and reuse it every time you launch. Whenever you launch a new channel, a new series, or even a personal brand, design once, reuse it forever. So once again, what you build in this session isn't just a nice looking channel. It's decision-free design going forward. Every future video now starts with clarity instead of hesitation. When you sit down to create, you already know the colors, you already know the fonts, you already know where text goes, and lastly, you already know what style fits. That means less time designing and more time publishing. This is how creators stay consistent without feeling boxed in. You're not locked into a one look. You're working inside a system that supports growth. And the biggest advantage? As your content improves, your brand doesn't fall behind. It scales with you. So whether you're uploading weekly, daily, or just getting started, this brand kit becomes your creative baseline. You're no longer rebuilding from scratch, you're refining. If this helped you see Canva as more than just a design tool, but as a brand engine, then you're already thinking like a pro. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into advanced thumbnail psychology, AI-powered content repurposing, faster design workflows for creators who post often. Until then, keep building with attention, keep your visuals consistent, and remember, strong branding doesn't scream for attention. It earns trust quietly over time. And see you in the next one. If you want more tutorials like this, where we build real assets from start to finish, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video in the series. That's it for the masterclass. Now go build a brand that actually gets clicked.